Apelyido, surname, apelyido. Pangalan, first name, pangalan. Panggitnang apelyido, middle name, panggitnang apelyido. Initial, initials, initial. Tirahan is address. When we say kalye, that's street, and numero is number. Address, kalye, numero. Postal code or zip code. Kasarian is gender. It's either lalaki, male, or female, babae. Kasarian, lalaki, babae. Nasyonalidad is nationality, nasyonalidad. Pagkamamamayan is citizenship, pagkamamamayan. Araw ng kapanganakan is date of birth, araw ng kapanganakan. Lugar ng kapanganakan or pook ng kapanganakan is place of birth. Lugar ng kapanganakan, pook ng kapanganakan. Trabaho or hanap buhay is work or occupation. Trabaho, hanap buhay. Katayuang pangkasal is marital status. Katayuang pangkasal. Kasal means married, kasal. Single is solo or nagsusolo, single. Hiwalay means separated, hiwalay. Diborsado or diborsada is divorced. Diborsado is for males and then diborsada is for females. Biudo or biuda. So biudo is for males and biuda is for females. So that means widowed. Biudo, biuda. Anak means child, mga anak, children. Ilan is the number of anak, mga anak, ilan. Numero ng telepono is telephone number. Numero ng telepono. Pasaporte is passport, pasaporte. ID is identity card, ID. Lisensya ng pagmaneho is driver's license. Lisensya ng pagmaneho. Lugar at petsa ng pag-issue. So that means place, lugar, and petsa is date. So lugar at petsa ng pag-issue. Araw ng pagkakaloob. So issue date. Araw ng pagkakaloob or issue date. So most of the time I think English is used. Araw ng pagkawalang visa, that means expiration date. Araw ng pagkawalang visa. Pirma or lagda refers to signature. Pirma, lagda.